Hello students, in this video we are going to see the last question of exercise 1.5. So here is the question: is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. The second one is log 100 rational or irrational? That also we have to justify. So we'll see the first one, log 2. We all know that this is a common logarithm and base will be 10. I want to convert this logarithmic form into exponential form. For this, we'll assume that this value is equal to some x. Then we can write it as 10 power x is equal to 2 in a very simple way. So here, whatever the value we take in place of this x, that should be equal to right hand side, that is, we'll assume some values. For example, if x is equal to 0, then this becomes 10 power 0 is equal to 2. 10 power 0 is anything to the power 0 is 1. Value is 1. And on the other hand, we have 2, which is not valid. If I take x equal to 1, this becomes 10 power 1 is equal to 2. 10 is not equal to. So the value 1 in place of x is also not valid. So we can conclude that no way we can prove that 10 power something is equal to 2. So we can say that log 2 is irrational. That is my answer. Or otherwise, we have used irrationality in exercise 1.4 by taking some contradiction proof. So we can also try in that way. So let us see. Log 2 base 10 is equal to irrational. Then we can assume that it is equal to p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p comma q are o prime. So next we will convert this into exponential form instead of logarithmic form. Then this becomes 10 power p by q equals 2. So in order to remove this q in the power, I am raising power to q on both sides. Then what happens? P by q whole power q equals 2 power, and which 10 power p by q into q equals 2 power. Then this q and q get cancelled and we will get 10 power p is equal to 2 power. Even I can write it as this 10 as 2 into 5. Both are prime numbers. Whole power equals to power. If I distribute that part to the base individually, power 5 power cube equals 2 power cube divided by 2 power, which equals 2 power q minus p according to one of the laws of indices. Then ultimately what I am writing here is simply what I have written here is 5 power p equals 2 power q minus. So we have to guess whether this equation will be satisfied by taking some integers in place of p and q. So in no way we will get those satisfying values. So here we get contradiction. Why we are getting this contradiction? This is due to our assumption that this log 2 base 10 is a rational number. So I conclude that log 2 base 10 is not rational number, it's irrational number. Now we'll see about the second one. Log 100 is rational or irrational. That we'll see. So here also we'll assume that this value log 100 base 10 equals some y. Then we'll convert it into exponential form. Then this becomes 10 power y is equal to 100. So this 10 power y is equal to, I can write 100 as, this 100 as 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is nothing but 10 square. So here you can observe that bases are equal on both sides. Then the power should be equal. Then y value is equal to 2 directly. So if I place this 2 in place of this y, definitely these two values will be equal. LHS will be equal to RHS. So since we are getting a valid number in place of this y, definitely we can say that log 100 base 10 is rational. I hope you understand this one. If you have any doubts, you can post your comments, and thanks for watching.